Hey there, fellow gardeners. Today, I've got some amazing master gardener tips to help you grow the best cool season vegetables right in your own garden. Whether you're growing carrots, lettuce, spinach, Swiss chard, or beets, these expert tips will take your harvest to the next level. Let's jump right in. First up, carrots. To grow perfectly straight carrots, make sure your soil is loose, well drained, and free of rocks or debris. Compact soil or rocks can cause carrots to grow twisted or stunted. If you're working with heavy clay soil, consider using raised beds with sandy soil for the best results. Now let's talk about lettuce. In hot weather, lettuce tends to bolt, which makes it bitter. To avoid this, use shade cloth to keep the plants cool. And here's a pro tip. Succession planting every couple of weeks will ensure you have a steady supply of fresh lettuce all season long. Moving on to spinach. For the tastiest spinach, try harvesting early in the morning when the leaves are cool and crisp. This will keep your spinach fresh and avoid bitterness caused by warmer temps. If you're growing in the summer, consider shading your plants to keep them from getting too hot. Now, for one of my favorites, Swiss chard. To extend your growing season and get a bigger harvest, try the cut and come again method. Harvest the outer leaves while leaving the center intact, and your plants will keep producing fresh leaves. Add some mulch to retain moisture, especially in hot weather. And finally, beets. For sweeter, more tender beets, consistent watering is key, especially during root development. If you let the soil dry out, the roots can become tough. Don't forget to thin your seedlings early, so your beets have plenty of room to grow nice and big. There you have it. 5 simple yet powerful tips to take your vegetable garden to the next level. Follow these, and you'll be well on your way to growing healthier, tastier veggies. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening advice. Happy gardening, everyone!